In this video, I'm going to design this part of this house and these pillars of this house. You can see the pillars. We are going to design all of this. Just follow this video. Now I'm going to use just the pen tool and using the same color as it is. Also we will see the uh, wall or brick wall. As you can see, there is some details in the wall like brick wall, so we will also follow that. So for now, just let's design it as it is. Let's take this here and control shift third bracket to make it upper. We have already designed it, so I'm not going to redesign them. I'm just going to follow this part of this design. So as you can see, there is already a door designed, so I'm just going to make it duplicate by pressing alt and shift to keep it at the same line. And after that, I'm just going to design the wall and keeping it the color as in the image. Now as you can see, there is some extra whiter part in the image, so I'm going to make them with the pen tool, or you can use any other tool for that, yeah, but I'm not using the pen tool for its convenience. And I'm going to turn on the stroke, and I'm clicking on it and just click on outside of it, and then selection tool, take the selection tool, and now just take the eyedropper tool and press shift from your keyboard and just click on the color we need. I have taken this color, and now just increasing the stroke size with a round joint and round this part, so this will make a more clean look for this design. So for now, I am just expand appearance. I'm doing expand appearance for this and expand, and after that we can do expand appearance for all this design. So just go to object, expand appearance, object, expand, so that there is no stroke left. And after that, you can see that we have this house, and we can reflect it right now. So just doing that. Okay, now you can see how we reflected. We just found the main half of this house and we just reflected it. And this is how we can complete the design for this two part. And if we focus on the wall, we will move to the wall later with the brick details I mentioned in the earlier, and we have to follow the process one by one, so please keep watching so that we can cover it. And as you can see, this is the house look till now. If I show you the difference between both two, I'm just going to lock it and just trying to keep it here, and you can see the difference between them. Control shift third bracket, control shift, control third brackets to make it available. As you can see, we have not perfectly reflected this design, so we have to do that. So how can we do that? Just see it, see the process, and you will find what was the mistake. First of all, we have to make this wall equal to that, and after that just select it, select the house, and click on this guide on the hub and copy. Must keep copy. And now you can see that the house has perfectly copied, and you can see that there is also some gap here, so we have to adjust it also manually. And now it's time to work on it. So just take it, Control G to make it group. And before going to the big details of the wall, we have to complete this these pillars. So Control Alt 3 to make them available, Control Shift left third bracket to make it before. And now it's time to design it with the color available. Okay, just trying to cover it up, Control third bracket to make it visible. And as you can see the differences between them. If I turn their opacity down, I think this would be much better for our comparison. Let's select these two anchor points and make it down, and now just duplicate them. After duplicating it thrice or 3 times, you can just take the reflect tool from the left toolbar and just click on the half point and copy it, and now you can see the difference. Now let's make the opacity 100% again, and here is the result for you. And as you can see that there is something need to be adjusted, like this window should be more middle. I think there is extra parts, so I have to make this window at more at the hub. And hopefully this is perfect for now. And if I show you the difference between these two design, you can see it. And now as we completed the design, now it's time to move to our main design part, and it's the brick details. You can see here, and let's move to it. And I'm going to make a copy of it, and now it's time to work on it. Ungroup and be focused now, because this is very important for you. So first of all, we have to understand what are the brick styles.